Hi, welcome to my channel, Janice's own channel. My name is Janice. Today I'll be talking about how to make money online. Basically, I'm a trainer. I teach people how to set up online stores, and today I'll be telling you about that online stores and also how to sell online. There are actually a few methods in the sense that you can sell in marketplace. You know what is a marketplace? Marketplace is actually Lazada, Shopee, Q10, and eBay, Amazon. These are actually marketplace, a platform where sellers come to the web place, the marketplace, to sell, and buyers can go there and buy. So that's a marketplace. You can sell in marketplace, or you can set up your own online store using like WordPress or Shopify. So basically, that's how to make money online. Let me show you the marketplace. Okay, so you can actually go to, for example, Lazada. Seller Center. Basically, Seller Center is a place where you set up your shop. Okay, you can open your Lazada store for free. Okay, so you need to create an account. And the charges is not a lot, only a few percent. So yeah, okay. Seller Center. Basically, you go to the Seller Center. Okay, you can read about this sell on Lazada or their website, link is down. Okay, basically sign up over here. Right. Yeah. Nothing is okay. Shopee Seller Center as well. Okay, Shopee Seller Center. So you can create an account over here to start selling. Again, it's free. Okay. So Shopee itself, this is a marketplace where you can actually sell over here. Okay, sell over here. And yeah. So there are many sellers over here. Okay. So basically Seller Center, you can use your own buyer account to create a seller account, or you can use a separate email address to create an account. Okay. Shopee, and then Lazada is also a marketplace to sell. And then, okay, then Q10, you can sell in Singapore and overseas Asia as well. Okay, Q10. Q10, you have to pay a fee, $100. For Lazada and Shopee, there's no fee to start creating an account. Okay, so Q10, QSM. QSM is an account you need to create. To create a seller account. Okay. Right. Okay. So basically Q10, and then there's eBay. Okay. eBay, you can just sell worldwide. So yeah. Okay. So Seller Center, how to sell. You can read out all this. How to sell. Seller Center, start selling. Okay. Sell your items. And then there's Amazon. Amazon, you can sell in Amazon US, UK, Germany, Singapore, up to you. Yeah, so you need to create an account for each one of them to sell in the respective Amazon countries. Okay, sell on Amazon. Okay, the sign up fee $39.99 a month plus selling fees. Okay, so this is called marketplace. So those I show you: Amazon, Lazada, eBay, Shopee. These are called marketplaces where you can sell in all these places. So there are actually a few methods to sell in all these marketplaces. You can do drop shipping. Drop shipping is basically let me stop sharing. Drop shipping is basically finding suppliers, and then when you have an order, you get from the supplier to send direct to your customers. Yeah, so that's called drop shipping. You don't keep stock. You basically do drop shipping. Only when you order that you get from your suppliers and send it to your customers. So that saves a lot of warehouse space and costs as well. Drop shipping. Or the other way is you select certain products, you get a warehouse and keep your stock. So for beginners, maybe you just want to get a few products and then keep it at home and then sell. But there are a lot of products in the market, so you have to decide which one is your niche market to sell. Okay. And then now websites. I want to talk about websites. You create your own online stores so that you can have your own branding. Okay. Yeah. So you can actually go to Shopify. Okay. Shopify here to create your own website. Yeah. Okay, create your own website. Shopify is actually a subscription model. This is a subscription as a service. We call it SAS, software as a service. So this, okay, $39 a month. Oh, they actually up the price. It used to be a lot cheaper. But you can try for a few days before you start paying this amount. Yeah, you can try. Okay, $1 per month for the first 3 months, and now subsequently $39 a month. And the transaction fee is 3.2% plus 50 cents, and yeah, for online or in person. Okay, so you don't need the rest of this because this is actually based on additional account for your staff. Beginners, this is actually quite sufficient. So you can start with a basic Shopify account, create account to start your own website. Okay, you can look at my video for the Shopify, how to create a Shopify website. Okay, I've done it yeah, recently. Very quick, simple function. The other one is WordPress. WordPress is actually a free software to build a e-commerce website or business website. So yeah, okay, WordPress. There are many organizations using it. WordPress. Basically, you can install it. Actually you don't need to download it. Now you with web hosting, right? You can actually install it quickly and up and running. There's this, okay, WordPress is the organization that creates this software. You need another thing, which is WooCommerce, a plugin. Okay, this WooCommerce. So first you need to install WordPress and then later install WooCommerce. Yeah, create the e-commerce of the WordPress. Like this, these are some of the templates design. So you can use it to build your own website. Okay, you can take a look at my WordPress WooCommerce videos, which I will create soon to see how to create a WordPress WooCommerce website. Okay, the cost is a lot cheaper than the Shopify. Basically, you have more control on this with WordPress WooCommerce. So basically, I just created this video, a quick video to tell you how to sell online, how to make money online. Yeah, I hope this helps you. Yeah, if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.